Hi, this is my Honda Accord 2006 EXL, I think. It's pretty dirty. 6 speed. Here's the switch for the bottle. Here's my nitrous bottle. It's closed. Let's pop the trunk, the hood. Here's the nitrous, the fogger. I'm putting a 70 dry. The mods are wide pipe from eBay, right here. Throttle body spacer, P2R, throttle body spacer, intake, cold air from eBay, nothing special. There you can see the intake, the intake right there. Here's the sex, the nitrous sex. Let's just start the car. It's a cold start right now. The car has a 3-inch exhaust, single exit with a magna flow cutback. Let me show you. 3-inch away from the wide pipe, magna flow cutback. You can hear the nitrous, I think. Alright, bye.